Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is the ever so popular Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features, kind of name the 270 Dauntless like a sport utility. It's a great fishing boat, great dive boat, but also a great family boat. It gives you quite a bit of seating. So we're gonna touch base on some of the options. This particular one has the gray gel coat, which is looks very, very nice with the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Underneath the hardtop is actually the same hull side color, so very sharp. Up front, we've got our windlass, so that works out very well. You know, if you're doing a lot of anchoring and things along that line. This one has the beautiful swim patio / dive door right here. Horsepower to weight ratio is incredible on the 225s, these twins. Very good cruise speed, extremely good fuel economy as well. Lots and lots of torque there. This one also has the underwater lights right here. Very, very sharp boat. Beautiful hardtop. This one does have the powder coating, so there's no, raw aluminum to deal with. Huge bench seat in the back of the boat. This one has the deluxe leaning post. You've got a 35-quart Yeti cooler that goes underneath there. Big, nice recirculating bait well here. Plenty of rod holders in the back. Also has built-in battery charger. Raymarine GPS right here. Raymarine VHF Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift. Very good visibility all the way around. This one does give you great seating up front. So you can have these laid down here. Cushions are removable. You've got storage underneath all of them. It's one of my favorite features here. This is what they call the garage. And this gives you tons and tons of storage inside here. So this is one of the biggest benefits on this boat. So this particular one's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time. We look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.